Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss about physical education. We are using book of AP textbook of physical education and health. Today we are discussing about unit number 5, sports participation of women in India. The participation of women in ancient Olympic was zero. But the passage of time, the modern Olympic of 19th, women started participating only 22. We have to keep in mind that difference between the ancient Olympic and the modern Olympic. In the starting, ancient Olympic, there is a zero participation of women in the Olympics. But with the passage of time, in modern Olympic 19th, women start participating. Only 22 women participated in 19th. But after some time, with the passage of time, with the passage of century, in 2008, 4,637 number of women were participating in Olympics. Keep in your mind these points. In ancient Olympics, there is zero participation. After passage of time in 19th, there are only 22 participants. But in 2008, there are 4,637 numbers. So, going on, women's participating in sports has changed over the countries, over the centuries. In ancient time, the men dominated societies. Women were viewed only the caretaker. To men in physical abilities, athletic competitions were held among warriors. In ancient time, only the games, only the athletics events are participated only in men's to compete, to check the power, to check the ability among the men's. So, if we are talking about ancient Olympics on ancient times, so women are not allowed, even women are not allowed to watch competitions. However, separate women athletic events. There is only one uh, competition for a woman starting first time, that is a Heron Games. Keep in your mind, Heron Games. These are the first games starting for women and dedicated to the Greek goddess Hera. These games were held at the Stadium of Olympia, which was the venue used to host the ancient Olympic Games. During the early 1970s, the female athletics underwent a dramatic revolution. After 1970s, there is a dramatic revolution about demand were made for equality in budget, facilities, equipment, coaching and competition opportunities enjoyed by the males. They are demanding, women are demanding to equality, for the equality in budget, facilities, equipment, coaching, competitive. The demand for equality of opportunity was generally met, of course, with the reluctance. Keep in your mind, as we are talking about only 22 participated in 19th. After that, in 2000 centuries, almost event which their male counterpart participant. If we are talking about India, the situation in India is still not, women are not able to stand in front of men. Men have an upper part in all spheres of life. Situation in Western countries, if we are talking about Western countries, the gender inequality is everywhere. So they still do not have equal representation as compared to the men. like other conservative societies of all the world. Uh, we are not providing such environment for the women to participate. We make our environment more easier for men to participation and more difficult for the women to take participation in the games. So these differences can seen in the facilities and programs in everywhere like schools, colleges. So even in the field of media, we can see the if the women kabaddi team is going to win the world cup, you cannot see in television channels, in media, in electronics and print media.